Don't know what's happening with that. So I'm currently standing on a bench near car park 5, where we'll be parking tomorrow. So yeah, easy push back in, or push back thing to Milan. So yeah, sorry about my finger going away. See a little plane over there. So yeah, lorry. Up there somewhere, it's cloudy. Well, it's actually at night, so we can't really see it. Except for there is a 747. So in there, not many left. So we won't be able to see it though. So back to plane spotting, I guess. So yeah, better than planes. Yeah, so much better than planes nowadays. Just some cars. Why today am I just showing some cars and more stuff? I know, but I think you've only seen 2 planes so far. So well, there isn't really one for another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know. Quite quiet. I have spotted a Ryanair, as we think there are 3 planes taking off. Ryanair over there, coming near to the runway. I'm sorry if it's a boring vlog today. And also I haven't uploaded a video for a while because I was busy packing and everything for the holiday. So I'm not going to do just fully YouTube shorts of each day because it's kind of boring, because all we're doing is an all-inclusive holiday. So I just do the travel days, what is much more fun than you. I might even give you a little tour around the hotel. I know, except there is another car, the best of the best. Well, it isn't even a car. I don't know why I call it a car, but same thing, right? Same thing. This must be the most boring vlog ever to watch. Just some cars, well, not really cars, and the Ryanair though. So yeah, see you in a minute. So there is a Lufthansa coming very soon. Okay, here's the list of planes. So first one is a Lufthansa, what is right there, what is coming onto the runway. More cars that aren't cars, that are cars. This is only going to be a short thingy, so it might end soon. So if you are watching this, then it's probably going to end maybe in 3 minutes time, I'm not sure. Except yeah, so watch some YouTube shorts that will be uploaded tomorrow if you watch on the day it comes, and let me get a better view. This is a Ryanair. If you do ever want a good space to come and watch some planes here at Birmingham Airport, then come by near, what is it, car park 5, the one that we're using. There's just this here. It's very convenient. I think it's actually a visitor park as well. So yeah, that's very good. Oh. So by the way, it is, I think, 8:15. And we're staying in the Premier Inn. That's, right now, half an hour wait on a walk. So we walked there. Staying just for tonight, then a plane. If you're wondering, that is not the sun, it's just the light. It's really bright though. So yeah, it's even making my eyes go a bit weird. use some fuel tanks. I should have called it and not cars. ATC. Emirates it says. Here they even have their own Emirates tram. So check that out with Emirates, I guess. So yes, from car park to tunnel. So because we're flying with Jet2, we have to go in door A. Well, like Ryanair, TUI, and Air France, KLM, and like those airlines go from door B. We went in that last year to Italy and Disneyland. One on Ryanair, one on an Air France to Disneyland. So yes, don't think there's many more planes, but let's see. Why am I just filming some vans? If I was you, I'd click off. Oh, it's inside. EasyJet. Good views there of the EasyJet. And here's where I am. There's just some fences here. So yes. I don't know what zoomed in, except you can just enjoy the view, I guess, of that flashing light that you just saw. I'm sorry about 1, the quality of this video, and 2, how long it is. Well, thank you again for 600 views on the Manchester Airport one. I do want to go there again, and I will film another one. So if you do like these, I think I might come up Manchester Airport sometime this year, except from... Also, that's why I haven't been uploading a video for a while, because I've been planning to come here, film, and yeah, just generally film, be good, and watch planes. Thank you for watching today's video. It isn't as long, I'm sorry about that, and it isn't as good quality because it's basically night time, and there hasn't been many planes, mainly cars, fuel trucks, or whatever you call them. Thank you for 600 likes again on the other one, and hopefully I'll do another one again. See you then. Just about seeing EasyJet there. Yeah. So yes, tomorrow we are travelling on a Jet2 to Faro, Portugal. Tonight we are staying at Premier Inn. You can see it's pretty dark with the lights on. Very late at night. Well, not very late, except you know what I mean. Later at night. So yeah, we're then going to Jet2 tomorrow. So yeah. If you're wondering why there isn't many planes in this plane spotting video, it's because it hasn't got many planes. So I might just show some cool shots. Thank you for 600 views, I think, on the one that's Manchester. This one isn't as good though, fortunately, because it is a smaller airport, except from the bigger city. So yeah, let's watch this plane take off. Oops. Yeah, so thank you for 600 views on the other one.